Tay, do you think this is too big or too little?
Chris,
Huh.
I found this cool light thingy. Guess how much it weighs?
I'm not sure.
Got a F-ton.
Speaking of kitchens, do you know what we need more?
What?
More rum.
Hey, I met one of our new neighbors yesterday.
Yeah.
Her name is Emelinda. The perfect description in the entire store.
Right?
Black. There's nothing there.
Hey, you know my dad left me? He
Yeah?
went on a cig run.
A cig run? Hey, I ran into one of my high school friends the other day.
Yeah?
His name is Billy Oxford.
Do you like this lamp?
Yeah.
Or not?
These candles aren't just shiny, they glimmer.
I was gonna buy this thing. It's no big deal. Taylor, I heard they had lots of mirrors.
Get the sound.
Have you seen my friend Hector? He's not very bright. Hey, you see that mat you're standing on?
Yeah.
Hella steady. Hey, if you ain't innocent, you guilty. Hey, Ryder, where'd you say Joey lived? Upland? Taylor, I think we should move. It's cold by here. Tay, I've been in the store so long. It says clock. I can read this. Tay, everything you buy here, you have to build.
Hey Chris, do you have the time?
No, what's that?
Nor do I.
That's a good one. Hey, my friend Bill. God, it's Morgan. Nice. Taylor, who's your favorite country star? Is it Reba?
Reba. Alright, I have a joke for you.
Yeah.
What type of fish do you eat on Valentine's Day?
I don't know.
Valentina.
I'll have to see.
Make sure you wear your mask. Taylor, what did you say your car was doing when you tried to start it up?
It sounded like this. Rar, rar, rar.
Hey,
Yeah.
during Valentine's Day, I plan on kissing you.
Hey Chris, your last joke was my favorite. I want you to do it again.
I bought this table, I just put it in the truck and well. I'm gonna try a new dish for dinner tonight. Lemon grill. Hey Tay, you're a Harry Potter fan.
Yeah.
How do you make things float?
How?
Wingardium Leviosa. When you do something fancy, you just gotta finesse it. In a couple more years, you're gonna have to check out my pole.
Dude, there was a skateboarder going by so fast, he just skated by.
Hey, you know what this little thing's for? It's good for your wrist. Taylor, give me another beer. God, this cup is empty. It takes a minute. This thing's lagging. Vivian?
What?
Huh? Turn it up. A little bit more. A little bit more. I'm trying to take a photo.
Hey, are you going to the party?
Nah, man. Taylor, when you're out in the Everglades, make sure you're looking out for swamp pigs. Tim, aren't these pictures that we have?
Mm-hmm.
Reminds me of years gone by.